happening? What the fuck? Looks like it's gonna rain soon. Let's hope not. I am... Whoa! And it's like almost flew into my helmet, what the hell? I am now on my way to Belakong. I don't know how to get my way there, so that's when this thing comes in handy. But it looks like it's gonna rain anytime soon. The clouds are already getting quite dark. I was supposed to drive, but my friend insisted for me to take the bike instead because he wants to poison his father with my bike. Why is there so many cars? The shit! My bike just went into neutral by itself. What? My GoPro battery is also running low already. If only I have charged my other 3 batteries last night, but I didn't, because I didn't expect myself to be riding today, because this weekend my bike is supposed to be resting, because I've been riding for 2 consecutive weeks already. So yeah, but whatever it is, I just hope it doesn't rain. Green. What up, Bunde? Fuck me, I'm going towards the dark clouds lah. Please don't rain. I think I should have drove. Okay, I can feel water droplets already. Yep, it's starting to rain. Why did I listen to him? Look at that tire, what the hell? His tires are like from... what movie is that? Never mind. Please don't rain, please don't rain. Oh, I'm really getting a little bit wet. No! Jalan Kleng lama. Oh fuck. Look at the jam, man. Everybody is going to KL for shopping, I suppose. Why did Waze bring me to this kind of road? Aren't I supposed to be using the highway? But it's bringing me to all this housing area, which I assume is slower. Fuck it. Oh, fuck. The rain is getting heavier. And I have a date tonight. What the hell? I'm gonna need to shower again. Otherwise, I'm gonna be smelly. Okay, I think I need to stop with it. The rain is getting heavier. Shit. These fucking rumble strips are scary as fuck, especially the red ones. Oh man, I should have stopped there, right? Wait, am I going the right way direction? Oh fuck, wrong way! Are you serious? Great! I'm getting so choked and there's no place for me to stop. Fuck! I should have drove. I was actually quite hesitant to ride, but I don't know, I just did it for the sake of Desmond. My instinct already told me that I'm gonna get wet if I were to ride, but I was hoping that I was wrong. Great, wrong way again, idiot. These fucking ways are not clear one, or is it just I suck? Now I'm gonna head towards the rain again. Thank God there's no rain here, at least for now. My head is just constantly telling me to get to my destination ASAP before the rain pours onto me. It's only June and it already feels like November, which is the raining season. It's been raining every single day, like literally, and that's really annoying since I ride most of the time, because I don't have the patience to go through the rush hour traffic, since the rush hour traffic is back already ever since the recovery MCO or RMCO. Everybody is going back to work and shit, going shopping, going out unnecessarily, like me lah actually. What a hypocrite I am. And the rain is back. Kanina, please stop for a while lah. At least until I get to my friend's place. Why do you have to stay so far away? What the hell? 11 more kilometers. I feel like I should really stop somewhere and wait for the rain, but at the same time I don't really want to. Okay, maybe now I have to, because it's getting really heavy already. Yep. Alright, it looks like the rain is slowing down already. I guess it's time for me to move. Luckily I didn't have to wait long. I only waited for like 10 minutes or so, because rains like this usually last forever. Oh yeah, my shoe is gonna get wet. What the fuck? You gotta be kidding me, I just left. Now I'm getting soaked again? Really? And it doesn't look like there's any overhead bridge in front for me to take shelter. Why is everybody on the left lane when there's two lanes? And my visor is fogging up. No, sorry, not my visor, my spectacles. Spectacle people problems.